Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's super great having you guys here today. So today guys, basically I've just have something on my mind I'm just gonna say to you guys, and I'm also going to just share with you guys about the Sweatcoin update. So let's get straight into the video. So once you go into your Sweatcoin wallet, you will realize that they basically have a claiming sweat. We're making some changes to how we mint and distribute sweat. So basically you can close or you can find out more. So I basically click find out more, and you can see that they have different topics, not topics, heading right here. So they say why claim, and they basically say how does it work, and they have what is minting freeze. So you guys can go ahead and read it for those of you that are interested in Sweatcoin tokens. So yes guys. So yeah. So I'm just gonna close this out for now because I've already read it and understand it. So I'm just gonna tell you my for what I understand. So they're basically saying that they're gonna be claims. So they're not gonna be automatically sending the cryptocurrency into your wallet. They're gonna on your profile rather, they're gonna be keeping it on the platform for 60 days, and basically you have to come in the app they're like basically saying every month. So they're accumulating your earnings for 60 days, right? So you can come in and claim it every month. Every month is usually when they say you should, but you can come like 2 weeks, a week. You can come in the 60 days. So if over 60 days and you haven't come and claim your minting, basically minting is when you do the movement, the motion, the walking, the exercise, right? Because their app is about making this making more people in the world active. So you have to be moving off your phone while moving. So yeah. So if over 60 days you haven't come inside and claim, you can see the claim token button here, they will just stop. So you could be minting, that means doing exercises, but it won't be accumulating. So their advice is you can come every month, and then you claim. For me, I'm always on the app, sometimes 2 times a day, because I do go inside to boost my walk and stuff like that. Just done and just check, just what's going on there and just read some stuff. So I'm always in it. So as you guys can see, I have some claim here, and basically what you're gonna do, you're just gonna go ahead and claim your token. You can either put it in a jar, a growth jar, or you can either just close it. For me, I'm gonna put it in a growth jar. So let's do that right now. And I'm gonna choose this one here. Limited time offer. I will be getting 7 sweat in basically a couple months. So yeah. So that's is the update and sweat kind that I want to share with you guys for today. So what I want to talk about today is that sometimes I started my investment journey in I started my investment journey in 2021, right? But I was earning online from 2016. I was earning online. So yeah. So I always watch like interviews with people, and they always say, "Oh, I didn't understand about investing. I didn't know about the stock market. I didn't know about this. I didn't know about that." And to me, I just want to say this because I know I have like few people who watch my videos on a regular that come back and watch my videos. I have a good I think 50% of my people who watch my videos are recurrent people. So yeah, but what I want to say is just that don't be like those previous generations of people who didn't educate themselves on finance or stuff, and now they're stuck. Now they're just like, you guys heard the statistic about the how many people don't have $500 in their wallet. Like, this is like, I can't get it. Like, I don't know what to think. So today I'm just saying to someone, get educated about cryptocurrency. For like, guys, I'm really serious. Like, if you plan to basically have um a good um financial journey in the future, like you want to be financially free, get educated about cryptocurrency. Because if you guys realize what are going on, the banks are now not doing what they're they're said they would be doing. Banks are not doing like before. And people, you can see that most people, not most people, but a group of people are getting educated about cryptocurrency. People in high places that basically didn't approve of cryptocurrency are now approving of cryptocurrency. So what I'm saying to you today, guys, is just get educated about cryptocurrency. I normally, every now and then, I always tell you guys about this interview I watched with this young man, and he said that he heard about crypto from a coworker, and he said he put $10 in a brokerage account, in a crypto account, and he said at the top of the peak of the bull market, right? It was all over the news. Cryptocurrency was going to 100, whatever, right? But it didn't go there. But that's what the news, right? And he said when it goes into the account, his account was $300 from $10, guys. So he just put it the $10 and forget it. That's what he did. I'm telling you guys. I know sometimes I say, oh, this is not financial advice. This is not financial advice, so it's not. Oh, but I'm saying, guys, if it's even $10, like, get it, oh, get it. Heck, because you can. There is this saying in Jamaica that says, if you can't beat them, you join them. If you can't beat them, join them. Because, guys, these people that are now getting involved in cryptocurrency, their foot is very big. And when they put their foot in this cryptocurrency thing, I'm telling you, there won't be any chance for small people. Like, if you know you have your 10, that if it's even 10, that, guys, I'm telling you, this is not financial advice, but I'm just saying, I'm just saying, if you can just educate yourself and think, don't be like, oh, I I heard about cryptocurrency, but I was skeptical and I didn't. And then don't get educated, guys. That's just all I have to say. And just get educated. Get educated. When I said get educated, learn about how cryptocurrency work. Learn about the future for it. Like, take your mind out the bad stuff. Like, okay, the bad stuff are gonna happen, but if you focus on that, that's what's gonna happen. Focus on the good stuff. Focus on countries that are started to implementing things. Focus on companies like blue chips. Talking about companies, guys, you can see the. I don't know. I have a stock. I have like crypto. I have stock portfolios, right? And my stock portfolios right now is down 20%. Just imagine. I will cry. But for me, I know that that's opportunity to, because I only purchase REITs and quality blue chip. So I know those companies are not gonna just stop now. They might change what they're doing, but they're a little bit, but they're not gonna like shut down or anything. So I know that the stock market will bounce again. But I'm just saying, the stock market can bounce, but I'm saying cryptocurrency can shoot. I'm just saying, like, guys, if you understand, people that were never, these people didn't care, but they realized that they cannot beat them. So what they're gonna do? They're gonna join them. That's the that's that's a that's a big mind thinking, guys. That's the key. If you can't beat them, join them. And that's all I have to say. So guys, before I go, I just want to say always remember, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. And if you guys like my video today, go ahead and give me that thumbs up. So yeah. So if you find value in my content, give me a thumbs up and also click that bell icon and also that notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next video.